I think I can trace my competitive nature directly back to my childhood. I grew up in a very small town with a bunch of boys, and we all competed in everything. Whatever was in season I was playing, I didn't want to miss out. I thought I would grow out of it, but I haven't. I'm now almost 54 years old, and I don't move as well as I used to. The only way to be active in your later years is to be active now. So movement to me it's life. My buddies and I at the gym started talking about we should go climb Kilimanjaro. As it got closer, I started working out. I'll do things like mow the yard with a weighted backpack on my back, and my neighbors think I'm crazy. I guess it's similar to like a baseball player using that weighted bat. And then I developed ankle pain. I had told everybody that I'm gonna do this, right? So you're committed, you're doing this thing, but I'm scared to death. So when I got hurt, there was really no other option. And I can't risk going over there and getting halfway up there and not being able to continue. I gotta figure out a way to fix this, because I can't just rest. I got to address this now. My company offered this physical therapy through SWORD. There was just a time every day where I would start the digital therapist and do the workout, like right on the floor of my office. And I would ask questions occasionally like, am I doing this right? She'd say, yep, I'm monitoring your progress. You're doing great. And it worked. I mean, it was easy. I was expecting it to be hard. The first day up the mountain, my focus was just make it to that next milestone. Breathe and just take another step, just one more step, just one more step, just one more step. You just keep putting one foot in front of the other, and eventually you make it to the top of the mountain. I really do think that movement is medicine. I'd like to take the harder path because my mom was in a wheelchair for the last part of her life. I always take the stairs because she couldn't. SWORD was instrumental. They helped me with the knee pain. Had it not been for that, I might not have made it.